whereas it is expedient to the end that Bangladesh laws may be known in their true form, that the one laws, in force in the territories now comprised in Bangladesh as adapted, modified or amended since the 26th day of March, 1971, and all President's orders promulgated since that date and acts passed by Parliament and in force should be printed. It is hereby enacted as follows: 1. This Act may be called the Bangladesh Laws, Revision and Declaration, Act, 1973. 2. It shall come into force at once and shall be deemed to have taken effect on the 26th day of March, 1971. 2. The two laws, specified in the first schedule are hereby wholly repealed. 3. The three laws, specified in the second schedule are hereby amended to the extent and in the manner mentioned in the fourth column thereof. 4. The laws specified in the third schedule, being laws not applicable in the territories comprised in Bangladesh, are hereby declared to be no part of the laws of Bangladesh and are to be removed from the statute book. 5. The repeal by this Act of any law, shall not affect the operation of any law so repealed or the validity, invalidity, effect or consequences of anything already done or suffered thereunder, or 2. Any right, title, privilege, obligation or liability, acquired, accrued or incurred, thereunder or any release or discharge already granted of or from any debt, penalty, obligation, liability, claim or demand, or any indemnity, already granted, or the proof of any past act or thing, or 3. Any penalty, forfeiture or punishment incurred in respect of any offense committed against any law so repealed, or 4. Any investigation, legal proceeding or remedy in respect of any such right, title, privilege, obligation, liability, penalty, forfeiture or punishment as aforesaid. And any such investigation, legal proceeding, or remedy may be instituted, continued or endorsed, and any such penalty, forfeiture or punishment may be imposed, as if this Act had not been passed. Nor shall the repeal by this Act of any law, by which the 9 text of any other law, was amended by the express omission, insertion or substitution of any matter, affect the continuance of any such amendment in operation at the commencement of this Act, unless a different intention was expressly stated in the law, by which the amendment was made. Nor shall this Act revive or restore anything not in force or existing at the time of its commencement, or affect any law in which an Act hereby repealed was been applied, incorporated or referred to, or after any principle or rule of law, or established jurisdiction, form, or cause of pleading, practice, or procedure, or existing usage, customs, privilege, restriction, exemption, office or appointment, notwithstanding that they respectively may have been in any manner affirmed, recognized or derived by, in or from any law, hereby repealed. 6. All Acts of Parliament, ordinances and President's orders in force in Bangladesh shall be printed in chronological order under the name and style of the Bangladesh Code. 6.8.12.6a. 1. In addition to the printing of Bangladesh Code in the manner as referred to in Section 6, the Bangladesh Code so printed, may also be made available in digitized form through read-only memory, ROM, like compact disc, CD, digital versatile disc, DVD, etc. with necessary security measures against likely tampering or unauthorized change in the documents. 2. Bangladesh Code may also be made available through website. 3. Acts of Parliament, ordinances and President's orders may also be made available through website under the name and style of Laws of Bangladesh, and such laws shall be updated from time to time. 4. In case of any doubt or discrepancy about the authenticity of the printed text and electronically printed digitized text, the text of original Gazette shall prevail. 7. At the time of printing of the Bangladesh Code, an act or an ordinance shall, if necessary, be renumbered and all clerical errors and omissions may be corrected. 1. The word laws was substituted for the words acts and ordinances by Section 2 of the Bangladesh Laws, Revision and Declaration, Amendment, Act, 1974, Act No. Lei of 1974. 2. The word laws was substituted for the word acts by Section 3 of the Bangladesh Laws, Revision and Declaration, Amendment, Act, 1974, Act No. Lei of 1974. 3. The word laws was substituted for the word acts by Section 4 of the Bangladesh Laws, Revision and Declaration, Amendment, Act, 1974, Act No. Lei of 1974. 4. Section 4 was substituted by Section 2 of the Bangladesh Laws, Revision and Declaration, Second Amendment, Act, 2000, Act No. XL of 2000. 5. The words any law were substituted for the words any act by Section 6 of the Bangladesh Laws, Revision and Declaration, Amendment, Act, 1974, Act No. Lei of 1974. 6. The words any law were substituted for the words any act by Section 6 of the Bangladesh Laws, Revision and Declaration, Amendment, Act, 1974, Act No. Lei of 1974. 7. The word passed was substituted for the word added by Section 6 of the Bangladesh Laws, Revision and Declaration, Amendment, Act, 1974, Act No. Lei of 1974. 8. The words any law were substituted for the words any act by Section 6 of the Bangladesh Laws, Revision and Declaration, Amendment, Act, 1974, Act No. Lei of 1974. 9. The words text of any other law were substituted for the words text of any law by Section 6 of the Bangladesh Laws, Revision and Declaration, Amendment, Act, 1974, Act No. Lei of 1974. 10. The words expressly stated in the law were substituted for the words expressly stated in the Act by Section 6 of the Bangladesh Laws, Revision and Declaration, Amendment, Act, 1974, Act No. Lei of 1974. 11. The words any law were substituted for the words any act by Section 6 of the Bangladesh Laws, Revision and Declaration, Amendment, Act, 1974, Act No. Lei of 1974. 12. Section 6A was inserted by Section 2 of Bangladesh Laws, Revision and Declaration, Amendment, Act, 2009, Act No. 15 of 2009, with effect from 5 November 2008.